Okay, so let's have a look at how we can add actors to a catalog. So first, this is the same demo catalog we created before. We go into View and find our actor window. So we have it here, actor. Toggle that a bit. So this is all the actors currently in the catalog. So create a new one, just click New. And here I can create the name of the actor. I can pick a picture from somewhere as a portrait. So I don't have any image here. Let's just pick my logo and I can write a bio, something about me. Okay, so now I have an actor. That's one way to create an actor. I'll show you a few more later. So let's put that actor window there, and then we're gonna need the cast window. So let's see if we can find the cast window. Here, open up the cast. I'll drag it over next to the videos like this. And now if I click a video here, it's gonna show all the actors that are part of the cast for that video. So it doesn't matter which I select here because I haven't assigned any actor to a video yet. So to do that, it's pretty simple. I just drag it from here to here, from the actor window to the cast window. So now I assigned the actor Fredrik to this video. If I click here, then okay, no video is assigned here. Click here, yeah, we have a video. So that's how you assign actors to the cast of a video. So we created an actor before just with the new button. Another way to create an actor is if you click a video like this and then you right click and then you select use selected for new actor portrait. Then we take that screenshot from the video and we create an actor from that. And then this is of course my cat. And then I click OK, create it. And here I have another actor. So now there are two actors in this catalog. And then I just assign it to that video. And I assign it to this as well. So now you see we have assigned some actors. So what more can we do? There is a third way to create an actor. So let's try that one as well. Now we're gonna use a web browser that's integrated. Go to our home page. Let's actually go to the support page here. And then let's find the portrait. Here's my brother. Let's right click that and then click save as actor portrait. Then you get a folder picker to where you want to save the file. I just save it as a original file name in here. And then I get the same dialog. And then you see it's already filled in some things like the URL to the page where we took the picture from. And then I'm just gonna change the name here to Robert. And then I create OK. And now we have Robert as an actor also in this catalog. Again, haven't been assigned to any videos. But again, if you want to assign it, just drag it to the video. So finally, if you want to search for videos with the actors, let's find the search window. Search here. Let's drag that to the side just so we can have that up at the same time as we have the video up. So let's do it like that. Now we have a search, we have the videos, we see the casts and we see the actors. So let's close down a few of these that we don't need right now and just search on cast. So now let's see what are the videos with Robert as cast. Then I just drag the actor here and now I see the video here. Reset, get all the videos. Let's see who has Nisse, the cat actor. Oh, that's those two videos. And let's see who has either Nisse or Fredrik, these videos. So that's kind of how you can use actors with your videos, how you can search on them, and how you create them from photos, just from text, or from images on websites. And that's it for this time. Thank you.